morning, everyone, and welcome to VDroom event. Thank you for coming. I would like first to introduce myself and the team. So my name is Michal Buchman, and I'm a serial entrepreneur. My first company in the travel industry was easytobook.com, which I sold to BCD Travel at 2011, while we were 80 employees and a turnover of 100 million euro. Lance Bailey is my partner and the CTO of the company. And this is part of our great team that help us to be here today and to present. So everyone is talking about big sectors like cybers and other very important sectors. However, there are not many discussions about travel tech and travel, while traveling is part of our daily life. If we look at the last couple of years, we don't see big revolution or big changes in the travel tech industry, especially in the imagery sector. And this is where VDroom came in and saw the opportunity. VDroom helps hotels and rental apartments to increase revenue with 360 in virtual reality content. Travel is culture, and travel today generates $1 trillion revenue. Good image can convert few times more than good review. This is why VDroom also working very close with one of the best universities in Portugal, with a team that works and helps us to optimize and get to the maximum and best results for our customers, the hotels and the rental apartments. So let's jump into the presence and see a couple of screens that couple of you already recognize them. Today, while you are searching for hotel, probably you know these kind of images. It's 2D images, statics. We don't see a lot of thinking behind the sequence of the scene, for example. This is one example. For here, the first scene is a corridor, very dark room. Another presentation of market leader today. We can see here a cruise presentation, also very statics. And another one, this is a market leader today all over the world. When you book a cruise and you pay between 1,000 to a couple of thousand, the vacation of your life, do you get trust when you see these kind of images? So, ladies and gentlemen, when you sell travel, you sell experience. When you sell travel, you sell experience, and this is where VDroom entering the picture. Lance, please continue and present our smart gallery solution.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Lance, I'm the CTO, I manage all the tech. Before I get into that, one of the things that I just wanted to mention is that a lot of what we do on the tech side is based around integrations. So when we're working with other companies, they need to integrate our products into their websites, into their domains, and basically into their company. All of our integrations are based on the concept of not being anything more than 15 minutes in terms of integration. So if you have a developer that needs to integrate one of our products, we never want any of our clients to have to spend too much time doing integration, rather spending the time using data analytics and reaping the rewards from our products. So let me talk about the two products. Essentially, we have VDroom Content Management System, which is a platform that a customer would come into. They would upload their 360 images, and through this platform, when they publish their project, they get two different products. The first product that I'm going to talk about is the Smart Gallery. The Smart Gallery is a 360 gallery that is embedded into the current existing site of the hotels. Hotels, it can be restaurants, it can be any type of apartment. This gets embedded into their websites. The 360 gallery that we have is backed by machine learning. So what we do is we take a lot of statistics in terms of what images are being viewed, what images are leading to conversions, and we use this information to improve the images that we present. So today you could see a specific image being the first image displayed. Tomorrow, depending on the demographic that you have, and if you exist within a specific demographic that we know is successful, as well as we know that that's the image that would interest you. So for me, for example, when I look for a hotel, it always interests me to know what the size of the shower is. That's me personally. So if I go to the gallery and I would see that each of these have a specific size shower, it really helps me along with my flow. And that's the idea behind the 360 gallery. Again, like I said, integration is really, really quick. Integration of the gallery is nothing more than 15 minutes. The building of the gallery and everything is automated through our system. And the gallery can be placed on any page, on any website, so you're not really restricted. And you can have the gallery appearing, multiple galleries, on any single page. So if you have a search listing page, where you have a number of results, each result can have its own custom gallery. If you go to a hotel details page, for example, and you want to show just the room images, you have a specific gallery for that. Again, all of this is generated automatically. There's no real work on your side other than uploading the images. The next product that I want to chat about is landing pages, or what we call our mini site. Both the gallery and the mini site are all constructed from the same assets. There's one process for the user, so when they use the platform, they come in and create a grouping of the images. And based on this grouping, we create both the gallery and the landing pages. So there's not the situation of having double work or having to manage two different platforms or two different projects. What you do to one happens to the other. So for example, if you have a specific image of a specific room that's no longer relevant, it happens that a hotel may change the carpet in the room. If they change that image in the site, it will also be changed in the gallery. So sites. Once the user has set up their assets, create their groupings, our system then goes and creates a mini site for them. What's the idea behind the mini site is that each asset gets its own URL. This allows for, and when I say asset, I mean image being a specific 360 experience. This allows for better marketing purposes. You can now actually share specific images on Facebook, across WhatsApp, for example. So again, I said I like looking at the shower. I also like sending those, sounds very weird, shower pics to my wife. But you know, like I would send her a picture and I said, hey, have a look at this. How does the shower look to you? And I can actually send her directly into that page. That's for me as a user. For a hotel management company or a hotel marketing company or the hotel itself, they have the opportunity of sending specific suites in emails. So quite often you've booked a hotel and you then 2 days before get an email that says, we know you booked room X, why don't you upgrade to room Y? They can now put a link into their email, they can send you directly to room Y, and that makes things a lot easier in terms of VR and far more usable. The next thing,
example.
And this is an example, as you see.
A better example. Because it's not updated. They changed the parking lot in Berlin. This is the Schloss Hotel in Berlin?
Yeah.
Okay, they changed the parking lot. It's not configured.
Okay, so we're out of date. We'll speak to them. Let's talk more about sites. So, other than the concept of having each URL, and together with that really, we use this to improve SEO. So at the end of the day, we use these sites to really distribute content amongst Google and Yahoo and Bing and all the other different types of search engines. And doing that, we do that because we have separate URLs, so we can push the indexing through them. We index to over 450 separate search engines. Let me just see before I move to the next slide if there's anything else I wanted to add here. Yes. Each of these mini sites can be hosted on a custom domain, which is important for trust. If you're looking at a hotel, I don't want to mention any specific names. Okay, let's look at Schloss, for example. Let's say if you're looking at Schloss and you're on the Schloss domain, you want to see vr.schlosshotel.com. or Patrick's Glass, I think that's their domain. You still have that trust. You feel that you're still looking at the actual hotel's property. You haven't been taken to some random website that you don't trust or you don't know. You're still within the domain of the site, which is very important in terms of customer trust. So now going back to the concept of indexing and why we have all of these different URLs and how do we distribute images and how do we distribute content. And we do this through the mini site. The mini site allows us to create sitemaps and it allows us to index with Google. Google accounts for 96% of worldwide searches. Between Google Images and Google Text Search, that's 96%. All the rest of the social platforms and other search engines, as well as other products offered by Google, make up another 4% of total search. So if you don't appear here, it's as if you don't exist. And today a lot of the platforms that we've seen, a lot of the other VR platforms, are not doing this. So we took the opportunity and we said, let's do it, let's get you exposed, let's get you out there, let's push SEO for you. We have SEO optimization that you can use specific keywords and descriptions